Bayangkan, laporan PPATK tahun 2024 itu ada uang korupsi beredar 984 triliun. Bukan 900 miliar ya. 1 tahun kekuasaan era Jokowi di periode terakhir, 1 tahun ada 984 triliun uang korupsi beredar. Anda bisa bayangkan betapa rusaknya republik ini. Artinya hampir 30% dari APBN.
Indonesian police are under pressure to investigate the country's former president Joko Widodo for corruption. This after an international non-profit organization of investigative journalists announced that Mr. Widodo was a finalist for 2024's Most Corrupt Person of the Year. The winning title ultimately went to former Syrian President Bashar al-Assad. Shani Babani with this report.
A finalist for the 2024 Most Corrupt Person of the Year, the nomination has pushed Indonesia's former president Joko Widodo back into the spotlight. Awarded annually by the Organized Crime and Corruption Reporting Project, or the OCCRP, the title serves to promote accountability and draw attention to those who do the most to wreak havoc around the world through organized crime and corruption. Mr. Widodo's inclusion in the nominations has prompted his former party, the Democratic Party of Struggle, or PDIP, to call on the authorities to investigate the former president for corruption, saying the report could be a reference for the country's anti-graft body and other institutions, such as the National Police and the Attorney General's office, to look into Mr. Widodo and his family. Remember, the PDIP, which is Indonesia's largest political party, officially fired Mr. Widodo in December. Relations soured after he backed rival Prabowo Subianto for president. In response to the nomination, Mr. Widodo has questioned what he was corrupted for and asked for proof. An anti-graft agency spokesperson, meanwhile, has said that any evidence should be brought to the anti-graft body and other agencies, and that all Indonesians are equal in the eyes of the law. Chandni Vatwani, CNA, Jakarta.
Ada transaksi antara Jokowi dan Bank Pembangunan Cina. 984 triliun uang korupsi beredar di tahun pertama pemerintahan Jokowi periode kedua.
Ada transaksi yang sangat besar antara Jokowi dengan Bank Pembangunan Cina itu.
Dan Purbaya sekarang seperti mendapatkan poin untuk langsung berhadapan dengan kasus ini. Artinya dia berhadapan dengan Jokowi.
Ya, Purbaya mau mengungkap bahwa ada problem sangat serius dalam proses seleksi nasional kereta cepat ini. Ini laporan resmi dari PPATK itu. Ada 984 triliun uang korupsi beredar dalam 1 tahun pemerintahan Jokowi 2024. Itu satu laporan resmi yang langsung menjadi sinyal pemerintahan Prabowo untuk menelusuri ini uang kemana aja.